Okay, I have a brand new effect to share with you today. For this, you need the ace through 6 of 2 suits of the opposite color, okay? And then we'll go ahead and just stack these piles according to your request. You want left on right? Okay, very good. Now I'm going to deal the cards to the table, and I'm willing to flip any of them as I deal them if you just tell me flip, okay? So I'm going to go down. You want this one flipped? Okay, down, down. Flip, flip again, okay, down, flip, down, flip, flip, down. Okay, very good. And in an effort to mix the cards further, I'll go ahead and give them something called a mange over-under. Just doing over-under repeatedly. And we'll follow that up with the trusty Charlier shuffle. If you haven't seen this before, I can add a link in the description below. But more importantly, I'll have you come in here and randomly cut the cards wherever you would like and complete the cut. Okay, very good. Now, in an effort to speed the mixing of the cards, I'm going to actually combine 2 different shuffles simultaneously. So what I'm doing is I'm pulling the top and bottom cards off as one. That's kind of a Klondike shuffle action. But then I'm just setting the pairs left, right, left, right. That's all we're doing. Can you point to any one of the piles? Left one? Okay, we'll go ahead and flip that one. And how would you like these piles stacked? Right on left? Okay, very good. We can give it another optional Charlier if you would like. But I really should have you come in here and cut the cards so that you're deciding on the order of the cards. Very good. And then we'll do a second alternating Klondike. Now, a note to you as the performer, you can do this alternating Klondike with random flipping of either half and then random stacking. You can do one of those or 50 of them. It doesn't matter. The spectator can decide how many of those that you do. Which of these two piles would you like flipped? Right one? How would you like these stacked? Left on right. Okay, very good. And then maybe we'll just do a final Charlier shuffle like this. But most importantly, I need you to come in here, randomly cut the cards, which will utterly decide and completely decide the final ordering of the cards. That is a consequence of the final cut that you've made to the packet. Now from here, all I'm going to do is deal out the cards into a 6-hour clock without going off the screen, the camera view there. So a 6-hour clock, very good. Okay, we're going to go like this and just like that. Okay, now I actually have a written prediction off to the side, so let's take a look at that for the first time. So what did I predict would happen here, given all of the random choices that you made that I could not have known of ahead of time? Let's see, every pair will consist of cards of opposite color. Whoa, what are the chances of that? Now, I think this one's okay here. Those are the only ones we can really see right now. Okay, so let's take a look at the top spot. Yes, those are of opposite color. What about these two? Opposite color. Those are, of course, opposite color. What about here? Yes, opposite color. And opposite color there. And what about up here? Opposite color. That is unbelievable. Oh, you thought there's more to the... Oh, there is. Furthermore what? Every pair will add to 7. Okay, so we've just gone from highly unlikely outcome to virtually impossible outcome. So is it true that every pair adds to 7? Just glancing at them, I would say that is true. Each one of these has card values that, now of course, ace is a 1, card values that add to 7. That is beyond belief. Well, how do you do this? Well, just do everything that I did. All of the choices I gave to the spectator were free choices. Now, in the description below, I'll give a step-by-step explanation of what's going on here, along with the packet structures throughout this entire routine. So thank you for watching, and take a look at other videos on the Absolute Math Magic channel.